And we're here now in the maths department, and as well as the usual curriculum, there's a maths clinic for those who might need a bit more help, even online learning platforms that continue when you get home. And to tell me more is Head of Maths, Sean Wood. Hello, Sean.
Hi.
Maths clinic sounds very intriguing. Can you tell me more?
Yeah, so the Maths Clinic is basically an opportunity for anyone who's finding maths a little bit tricky, whether that be in class or with homework. They can just come along after school. It's completely open to all, and get some support off teachers and also some other students as well.
That's going to be quite reassuring for parents because, as you say, not just support, but also if children maybe need a bit more time, extra work, a little bit of extra stretching, particularly I imagine coming up to exam time, that's quite useful.
Absolutely. So we do have some students who come along to that for extension. So we give them problem solving work, little challenges, code breakers, that sort of thing. So with Year 11, we do a lot in terms of exam preparation. So we run a P6 session each week. And that basically is aimed at trying to get them to be able to apply their maths knowledge to the exams, because being able to answer the questions in the exams is kind of another skill in itself.
And as we were saying, it's not just about what you learn here in the classroom. It's so much now, with all the technology we have at our disposal, there's lots of online learning out there. How does that work?
Yeah, so we're very lucky in maths, so there's a lot of wonderful websites. The one we particularly like is called Hegarty Maths, and that takes them right through from Year 7 up to A-level, in fact. And it's got a help video for every single topic and a quiz to go with it to check their understanding. It's a big part of the homework system that we use here, but also in terms of revising for tests and doing independent work as well. So it's a fantastic resource.
Is that something that the Year 7s, for example, would find quite fun and engaging as they come from your Year 6 and transition into that secondary school time?
Yeah, absolutely. They're always very keen to try and get 100%, and they can redo the quizzes and they keep trying until they get 100%. So yeah, Year 7 is always very, very keen to get on board with that. And actually, by doing that in Year 7, the site builds up a kind of background knowledge of what they can and can't do. So by the time they get to Year 11, it knows exactly what they need to revise, ready for their exams.
And when you're in the classroom, how do you keep all the pupils engaged with what you're doing?
Yes, we have a blend of activities. So we also have a nice silent starter at the beginning of the lesson, which gets them in nice and calm and focused, and that just revises key skills. And then, yeah, we just try and mix it up. So whether it's a worksheet or a paired activity or a bit of independent work or thinking work, yeah, just keeping it fresh in the lessons is very important.
And when it comes to maths that they can apply to their everyday lives, things that they might actually go on to use, how do you approach that?
Yep, so where possible, we always try and make links to the wider world. So, there are certainly topics in maths that are crucial for everyday life. Some which are a little bit more abstract, but the links are there. So that's kind of our job, to point them out to the students and make it real.